Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a 100% free VPN app with no login required, no ads, and unlimited data, then you're watching the right video. Finding a truly free VPN without hidden catches is rare these days, but after testing and comparing many free VPN apps, I finally found one that checks all the boxes and works straight out of the box. It's called Ullu VPN. Before we'll get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss useful tutorials like this. Step 1. Let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Ullu VPN. Look for an app with a dark blue icon, developed by Ullu developers. Tap on the app and then tap Install. Step 2. Once installed, open the app. When you launch it for the first time, it will display a brief privacy notice. Tap on Continue to App. There's no need to log in or create an account. The app starts working instantly. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll see a big button labeled Auto. Tap on it. Next, tap the refresh icon at the top to load all available servers. You'll now see a list of countries including the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, Switzerland, Netherlands, and more. For this example, I'll choose Australia. After selecting your country, tap the large Connect button. When prompted, press OK to allow the VPN to connect. Within a few seconds, you should see that the connection is active. Step 4. To confirm that the VPN is working, open your browser and search for "What is my IP address?" The website will display an IP address that matches the server you selected. Since I chose Australia, my IP address now shows Sydney, Australia. Step 5. Ullu VPN does a surprisingly good job for a free VPN app. Even though the Play Store mentions that it may contain ads or in-app purchases, during regular use, I didn't experience any pop-ups or interruptions. The overall experience is clean, smooth, and beginner-friendly. Let me know in the comments if you tried Ullu VPN and how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.